Part 5. What time is it? What time is it? It's almost morning. It's almost morning. It's lunchtime. It's lunchtime. It's evening now. It's evening now. I'm going home. I'm going home. I'm at work. I'm at work. I'm at school. I'm at school. I'm with my friends. I'm with my friends. I'm with my family. I'm with my family. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Tomorrow will be better. Tomorrow will be better. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I am improving every day. I am improving every day. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. English is easy. English is easy. I can speak English. I can speak English. I am becoming fluent. I am becoming fluent. Success is coming. Success is coming. Keep learning every day. Keep learning every day. Never stop improving. Never stop improving.